This was me before with long hair, and now this is me after getting a short haircut, none other than a buzz cut. Hello everyone, in this video I will share the 7 amazing benefits I experienced after trying the buzz cut hairstyle. I have been rocking this same hairstyle for almost 5 months and go to the barber to get the same buzz cut every month. So what are the 7 benefits I have discovered from the buzz cut? I would like to share my personal experience with you all, and I hope this benefit also resonate with all the men out there. So guys, let's dive right in. First benefit, handsome and masculine look. Getting a buzz cut makes me feel more handsome and masculine because it exposes my face openly. This makes me feel more confident about my appearance. Second benefit, time saver. With a buzz cut, I save a lot of time because I don't need to spend time styling my hair. It used to take me around 5 to 10 minutes to style my hair before, but now I'm ready to go in just 5 to 10 seconds. This is super helpful, especially if you are always busy or in a hurry. Third benefit, attention and feedback. Since I got the buzz cut, I have noticed that people, especially girls, pay more attention to me and give positive comments about my haircut. Some people even think that I look like someone in the military, which I take as a compliment because it makes me feel strong and confident. Fourth benefit, hair health improvement. Before I used to wash my hair with shampoo and conditioner 3 to 4 times a week, but now I only use water most days and shampoo once a week. This has made my hair much healthier and stronger. Fifth benefit, reduce stress. One thing I did not expect was how much less stress I feel about my hair. I used to worry a lot about styling and taking care of it, but now it's much simpler. I just wash it and I'm ready to go. Sixth benefit, money savings. Having a buzz cut has also helped me save money. Before I used to spend a lot on hair products like shampoo, conditioner and styling creams. But now I only need shampoo and some hair oil for an occasional massage, which costs much less. 7 benefit, less hair fall. With a buzz cut, I have noticed that I lose less hair. Before, when my hair was longer, I would find hair everywhere. But now it's much less, which is a big relief for me. In conclusion, trying out a buzz cut has brought me many benefits, from saving time and money to feeling more confident and less stressed. If you are thinking about changing your hairstyle, I highly recommend give it a try. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys.